Mother allegedly throws baby girl to death during argument with spouse in St. James. Ex-cop shot and killed by gunmen in East Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 5-month-old girl is dead while her mother is facing charges in a suspected case of infanticide. According to the St. James Police, the baby was allegedly thrown from the third story of a concrete residence in Barrytown community on Wednesday evening. It is further alleged that the child's parents were engaged in an heated argument where the father refused to discuss their relationship. The news media understands that it was during this time that the child was allegedly thrown from the roof by her mother, who then went to the second floor to consume bleach before leaping from the building. The incident was reportedly witnessed by the woman's 8-year-old daughter, and an alarm was raised. Both the mother and the infant were urgently taken to Falmouth Hospital. The child was later transferred to Cornwall Regional Hospital due to the severity of her injuries, which include significant trauma to the side of her head, stated the police. The infant was reportedly pronounced dead at Cornwall Regional Hospital on Thursday afternoon. A man said to be an ex-policeman was shot and killed by gunmen on Kensington Road in Kingston on Thursday. The deceased has been identified as Kennel Wilson. Reports are that Wilson was working as a taxi operator when he was attacked. Information is that Wilson was standing outside his car on Kensington Road about 7 p.m. when two men on foot armed with guns engaged him in a brief conversation before shooting him. His licensed firearm was also reportedly stolen. He was taken to hospital where he died.